13-inch band. I want to show you how to go ahead and set this up to use it. I use it in a very unique way that's not always seen by most people or agreed upon by most people, so I want to make sure you understand how to do it. First of all, you got to step into it like a pair of jeans. So step into it with one hand. Now if you need support, make sure that you stretch it out or leave it a little bit lower so you can step in with the other foot. Now you're going to move the band up, and I want the band right above your knees. So I'm going to walk in here a little bit so you can see how I've got it right above my kneecaps. That's where we want it. Now, because of that, there's a little groove by the side of your thigh muscle. The band is going to sit below that so it doesn't slide up, and then your knee is going to block it from sliding down so it stays in position, as long as when you're training with it, you're always keeping some level of tension on it, all right, which will be the key. Keep some tension on this band at all times. So if you're doing lateral walks or lateral steps, you're always keeping tension on the band. That's a huge key to using the dynamic stabilizer, and this is how you're going to go ahead and you're going to set it up. Put it right above the knees, and let's go ahead. Let's get you ready to go ahead and use that dynamic stabilizer to really improve your hip stability and core stability.